Is billionaire tax avoidance hurting the economy? What if one of the biggest economic pressures today isn't inflation or government spending, but something much more quieter? It is the billionaire tax avoidance. It is not illegal, it is not hidden, but it is built and woven into the system itself. And that raises a serious question. Is this sustainable? When people talk about billionaire taxes, the conversation usually turns emotional very, very quickly. But let us strip away the politics for a moment. This is fundamentally an economic question. If the wealthiest individuals legally avoid large portions of taxation, what does that actually mean for the broader economy? Most billionaires don't evade taxes in the criminal sense. They use legal structures, offshore entities, capital gain strategies, asset borrowing to reduce taxable income. This is allowed, but here's where the debate gets serious. Governments fund infrastructure, healthcare, education, and national defense through tax revenue. If a significant share of national wealth is concentrated at the top, but taxed at lower effective rates than middle-income earners, the burden shifts elsewhere. Either the government borrow more, or taxes increase for others, or public services decline. That's the economic side. Now the political side. When voters perceive that the ultra-wealthy operate under a different financial rulebook, trust in institutions weakens. And when trust weakens, polarization rises. So this isn't just about fairness, it's about sustainability. Supporters argue billionaires drive innovation, create jobs, and already contribute through investment and philanthropy. Critics argue that legal avoidance at massive scale distorts the tax base and increases inequality. The real question isn't whether billionaires should exist. The question is, does the current tax framework reflect modern wealth realities? Because when tax systems were designed decades ago, globalized digital billion-dollar empires didn't exist. So maybe the issue isn't wealth itself. Maybe it's that the system hasn't caught up. And when economic systems lag behind wealth concentration, the consequences eventually show up somewhere.